Tonight, we begin with your legislative watch.
A bill that would be the biggest tax cut in Idaho history made it out of committee today.
Our Dylan Carter takes a closer look tonight.
The House Revenue and Taxation Committee is sending H 436 to the House floor. It calls the corporate tax relief in the bill is needed to get more businesses to come to Idaho.
We have to have jobs other than car washes and fast food restaurants if we want our grandchildren and children to stay here. We have to become marginally more competitive. This bill does that.
Some who testified on Tuesday said they wanted to see more money go to education. Moyle says there's plenty of money to do that as well, adding you don't have to take the rebate if you don't want it.
This bill provides a mechanism that if you feel like you don't need your rebate, you can give back. And it lists 3 places you can give it to: schools, roads, or parks and rec. So all those citizens in Idaho that get this and feel like they don't need it can turn around and send it back.
Democrats on the committee felt like the money could be used in different ways.
What they want is property tax relief. They want better schools. They want better roads and safer bridges. They want broadband. They want all these things. If we're going to spend the money now, we won't have it available to make those decisions later.
To have a rebate where, the middle 20% of households are going to get $168 on average, and the top 1% is going to get an $8,000 check, I think is tone deaf, and I think it exacerbates the income inequality that we have.
Others on the committee say they just want to see the money go back to where it came from.
If we take tax revenue from one group and give it back to another group, that's not smaller government. That I call wealth redistribution, and it's actually growing government, and I think that that's a mistake.
If signed into law, the bill would provide $350 million in income tax rebates this year and $251 million annually to reduce individual and corporate income tax rates beginning next year.